For the surface dressing programme, preparation started roughly 2 years in advance. Oxfordshire County Council issue us with a scheme manager list which identifies a list of sites for treatment. We then proceed to undertake walk and talks with our supply chain to check if those sites are appropriate, check further scope for those sites, and plan for the preparation works. Preparation works for surface dressing involve patching potholes, and in 24-25 we've prepared 80 sites, the biggest programme that we've ever undertaken. The collaboration between Hazel and Jeffrey's, Milestone and Oxfordshire Council maximises the return on investment on the roads, provide best value for road maintenance across the county.